What is the feeling of comfort? It is a kind of comfort that is a serenity-based distance. It is a kind of temperature that is pleasing to your heart. It is a kind of truth that returns to nature. From passenger cars that carry life to commercial vehicles that create happiness. From enduring fuel vehicles to environmentally friendly and fashionable new energy vehicles. Every vehicle should have a comfortable temperature. All need a powerful automobile air conditioning compressor. Changzhou Kangpure Automotive Air Conditioner Company Limited. Do you want to know my story? This is where I was born and where the comfortable temperature inside the car was born. How many details need to be controlled for the birth of a high-quality automobile air conditioning compressor? Maybe it can't be quantified by numbers, but I know that behind these tens of thousands of details, it is rigorous thinking and meticulous carving. Design is not just a whimsical fantasy. Dreams are not just meaningless words. Here, people believe that only with bold innovation, focus on details, practice accumulation, we can forge true Kangpure excellent products. Here, Kangpure people follow the lean production management system. From discrete to one flow, the innovation of production mode started the development chapter of our pursuit of quality and excellence. Quality assurance is reflected in intelligence management. Kangpure people are good at innovating and changing to create a smart future. The powerful data system has completed the perfect transformation from data collection to big data decision-making. The cutting-edge technology has realized the gorgeous upgrade from traditional manufacturing to intelligent factory. The brand new WeChat Mall has brought about a new revolution from offline sales to online promotion. Quality assurance is reflected in production. Here, it ranges from the assembly of the overall product components to the tight fit of the tiny nuts. From the control of every process to the grasp of every detail, Kangpure people integrate the concept of high quality into the lives of everyone. Quality assurance is reflected in inspection. Each component needs to be detected thousands of times. Kangpure people's demanding requirements for our quality, only to fulfill the promise of zero defects in product quality, just to win the trust and recognition of every customer. Quality assurance is reflected in marketing. Here, Kangpure marketing team went deep into the market and formulate a private marketing plan for our customers. Listen to the voice of customers and build an effective communication platform. Use the most sincere attitude and the best service to exchange the brightest smile of customers. We go to all over the world from here. Since then, we embarked on the journey of a lifetime. When blood is injected into the body, motivation and passion will bloom instantly. When high quality is integrated into the soul, ease and comfort will fill the journey. On the way forward, Kangpure will accompany with you all the way to meet a high-quality life and share a comfortable life together.